Yo, 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 we live. Welcome to Trade Digital on YouTube. I'm on YouTube and I'm also on Twitch. You can also follow me on TikTok, Trade Digital 89, also on Instagram, Trade Digital 89. I'm all over Trade Digital 89. You see the book, one of my favorite books, The Four Agreements. But today's episode and videos, we're gonna talk about Shopify. We're gonna do a quick tutorial. I'm gonna probably do a series with that, and we also gonna code some HTML web design. Very very simple stuff. So um, once we do these series, we'll be able to understand how to design the front end of a page, and also understanding how Shopify works and drop shipping. So I'm gonna share my screen right now. Let me see if I have everything. I had a drop shipping store. One of my stores is called DM Line. I know I don't see it. Hold up. All right, let me go to it. Yeah, I don't see it on here. I don't know why the other web is not here. Let me see if I just pop this up and if it pop up now. Maybe it pop up now. Screen shares cancel. All right, let me see if I can get it now. If I can, I'll just do it as something else. Select tab preview. Share tab audio. All right, so I'll just do it on because I had to do it on a different web. Yeah, I probably had to do it on a different web. Yeah, share audio. I wonder how it would look on the attire joint. Oh, it's gonna look crazy. All right, let me see. All right. Well, this is the site. Let me close a lot of these windows. I'm developing applications every day. Let me take a lot of these things. Go to here. All right, let me see. I gotta make sure on my end I'm live because it's like I'm shadow banned. I don't understand. Okay, it shows that I'm live. I'm live because it's like I'm shadow. All right. All right. So this is this is the basic Shopify dashboard, and I have your home. This is something I'm trying to create another drop shipping. So drop shipping basically you don't need inventory. You don't need inventory to sell products. You can use inventory for um different warehouses like AliExpress or Amazon. You can use their web house and then you'll pay a certain fee for using their products from their warehouse, and then you can sell it on your store and you can get paid. It's one of the most growing passive incomes out there, drop shipping with Shopify, because you can be able to not even have the inventory. You don't have to, back in the day, you have to actually buy the products. So if you're selling gym apparel, you're going to actually have to buy gym apparel and sell it. Now you don't have to do that because there's warehouses like AliExpress and Amazon. They have gym apparel. So you're going to add that channel into your store, and it's going to be able to sell those products. So the person is actually going to your store to buy it, but they not seeing that they're buying it from AliExpress. They're gonna buy it from your store, but the product is coming from AliExpress or Amazon. So that's drop shipping. One of the growing passive income. So the home page, this is showing that I haven't set up my store. It says offer for discounts. You can have discounts for it. A lot of discounts. You can say buy one get one free, or if buy one and you get another one half off, or you can buy this product and the shipping is free. So you can do free shipping. You can do many other things right here. You could They got marketing campaigns that you can boost your website with their marketing campaign as well. You have Facebook ads, you have Google ads, all those good stuff. This is where your orders would be at. So you can be able to track your orders if it's an order that you have to delete because they didn't get the product, or it was voided, or it was fraudulent. a fraudulent payment, you can delete the order. So all your orders and stuff, or somebody orders something, it will be here. And you see abandoned checkouts, you'll see it also there as well. Your products will all be here. So you can see your products. You'll be able to price your products. So basically just see all your products you need to have, and you can delete in all those different things. This would be where your inventory. You can go to products. We don't have any products here now, but we can go there. Transfers. Not sure what that is. Collections. This just shows the collections of your homepage. You feature collections. It really depends on how your online store looks. And then you can add gift card. Now this is no this I haven't when I was doing DM line, my DM line dropshipping store, they didn't have this. So this is unique. They have a digital gift cards that we can accept as well. Your customers. So your customers, you can add customers to your list, and that frequently buy things on your store, and then you could send push emails to them when there's deals or Black Friday deals and all that. So this is a good time to 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 get into Shopify now. So when Black Friday comes and Cyber Monday comes, you can be killing. And if it's another pandemic and people have to be staying in the house, it's another way of selling things. The analytics is very important because you can be able to see where the most traffic is coming from all over the world. So if it's a part of the world the traffic is coming from, you want to be able to focus on that. Or if it's a part of this country, if there's a certain state that is more traffic there, you want to focus on that. So marketing is extremely important when you create your drop shipping store on Shopify, because the marketing is where, because you're gonna need somebody to buy your product. So you want to be able to focus on that traffic. So with me, I was selling most of my products. Well, it was like the UK. The UK, like outside of the US, a lot of people was wanting to buy products from my page. And I was selling gym apparel. And it was mostly people from the UK that was buying things on our store. So, and then we just started to run ads to focus strictly on the UK because they seem interested, and that's where the most traffic is. So for marketing, you have your total sales, your sessions, your return rate. Analytics is very important because you can be able to monitor your numbers, so you can know where you did wrong at, and where you should focus on. Conversion rate is extremely important. Average orders, total orders as well. You got reports. Then they have like a live view. So the live view is every time you look on your phone, you're gonna see how many people's on your page right now, which is dope. So you get to see how many people's on your page. It could probably be somebody for US, and then it'll show it like you have 30 people in your store, you got 100 people in your store, you got 1,000 people in your store, and they from this part. You can actually see where they at, and then and the most exciting thing about Shopify and having a store in Shopify, you hear the ching, ching, ching. Every time somebody buy, you hear the ching, ching. That's crazy. I love that sound. And it just show for the marketing. And this is the discount. Now this is where you create your actual online store right here. But first they have channels. So the online store, you got Google, you got Facebook, and you can add other channels. And you're probably gonna want to add Amazon if you want to do Amazon. So this is when you customize your online store. And this is the customization is very long, and you have to pick up pictures online and be creative, but it's long. But hey, if you want a good online store, you got to do what you got to do, so you can be able to add things on there. And this one, you have to go online and you have to search for things. That's what it comes down to. So you got to be able to search for things on your PC. So let me search for something on Google. Let's do hmm, gym apparel. Gym apparel. That's just a basic a basic picture image that we're gonna take. So we'll take. Let me see. It don't matter. It really don't matter. We'll just take this picture right here. So we could take this picture, and then we can save this image, and we could just do gem pick. It says, why is it saved on a file? Oh, this is a file. So let's just get a regular picture. Let me see if I get a regular picture. That's a file on the picture. It won't let me get a picture. Let me see. Save image as. Okay, this is a regular picture. I don't want to save it there though. You're gonna save just on regular pictures right there. So we'll just save that there, and then we can upload it on here. We can just upload that on here. So we doing like a gem apparel. You see how cool it looks, and you can edit the button as well. So you see shop all. But you just shop, edit your font. You put shop now, and then you just add your products what you want here. So you add your products. So you just put this button. When you click that button, that's going to be where your products is going to be at. So we just put products, and then you be able to add your products what you want. I haven't done this in so long, but it brings back some memories. Yeah, so you just add your products right there. So going back to the header. What's the name? Let me see. And then this when you start adding your things. I don't know why it got me out of there, but let's go back to here. Did I do the cover page? Let's change that. No. So this is just how you design your page. You could design it any type of way. We had a picture here. Let me go back. And oh, this is like the themes. You want to add color to it. You can. This is everything right here. Everything you have right here. So let me see. Image banner. We already did that. Let me change it. Yeah, shut. Now we want to replace that. And we're gonna select an image. We'll select her again. So we'll keep that. So we're gonna select that. So it says shop now, and then you can name it. You can name whatever you want. You can name it Gem Apparel or Gem Line. Gem Line. You can save that. You got the shop now features. So you got like a simple page here. Save it. Sorry about that. And then if you want to be able to add your products, you'll add your products here. But it'll be like you gotta add like pictures. So you still gotta get pictures at the end of the day. So how's that change? So yeah, so this is when you get your products here. So you go to product section right here, and then you go select the product, you'll create a product. And then this is when you go to like certain channels, and then you find whatever products, and you put like t-shirts, and then you do your description like nice 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 long nice long well nice nice try to find. I'm just gonna say nice shirt, just nice shirt that that feels great, that feels great. And then you add the media, like you add the picture. So we can just put the picture here, just add the same one, it don't matter. So you add the picture there. Then you have your prices that you want. You can make it 19.99. And then the compare price, it could be you could blow it out so people could think it's a deal, and customers won't see that. So I'll need to put it there, and then you just have your inventory. They have barcodes, a lot of other things. This is for location name. You already need that. This is for weight. Usually all these things be audio. Then you save it. It's the title is blank. Oh, leggings or sweatsuit. Sweatsuit or tracksuit. No matter. Just leave it like that. So we just save it, and then you save that. So when you go to your store, when you go back to that, let's go back to the store, online store. And we want to customize, or we could just go to view store. All right, we see the page again. Let's go to view store because you can actually view it. It's not done. So you see the front page, and then we have our product page. So you see right here it says sold out, but you see it's a 19.99, and that's what they'll see right there. It says buy now, then they buy it, and then all that good stuff. So that's just simple, just going through like the Shopify and the basics. I would be doing a complete tutorial soon on we're gonna be actually creating it. So I'll do it soon. So don't worry about that. So that's the design of doing the Shopify store. And then you have your different channels here. You see Facebook, Facebook. It does help with the marketing side and the advertising because you have to run ads to be able to promote your store. So you want to connect it to Facebook. So that's one of the cool stuff as well. So we'll stop it here, and then we're gonna do the web development part. So we're gonna do the web development part. I don't know why this is still up here. Okay. So now we're gonna do the web development part. So the web development part, we're gonna be coding that. So all that, the Shopify stuff, that's for the people, that just want to build a quick store, don't have to code anything. All your templates is already there for you, and the back end stuff is already created, which is a great thing. And Shopify is great for passive income. Very, very great. Especially I know during the pandemic time it was making a killing, and during the holiday season it really kills. So you want to be able to understand the market that you want to be able to sell your products at, or what market is trending, and then you want to be able to start your business with that. Or if you already have a business, you can use Shopify as well, and you can sell your if you have physical products, you can do that as well, and you can just create your site and you can do that as well. Shopify does a good job as far as the marketing side of it, because they have that platform, because they have third party provider, and they have everything for you for shipping and all that good stuff. All right, so now we're going to do the web design part. So let me share my screen right here. Now I could just share. Oh, now I could share that now. What the heck? So now we're gonna share. So we're gonna do simple, basic coding of just web design. This is just strictly web design and front end stuff right here. So first thing we're gonna do is we're going to type this. We're going to type doc type. Doc type start the HTML right here. And then we're going to do HTML here. But we're going to do it for scratch. So we're not going to add all the other components, because the reason for that, for the developers, they like to do it fast. They like to buy, okay, we're going to bust it out really quick. So, we just want everything to be auto, but we want to be able to understand what we're doing. That's one thing. We want to be able to understand, how we what this means in coding. How does this transfer into how does this transfer into like the color or the font size of all that good stuff. So that's what we want to do. So let's start that now. So we're going to do that. And then we're going to, this is the HTML part. This is really just like, this is, we want to be able to create this page and be able to design it as well. So we're going to be doing that. So we'll do HTML here. And then we'll push enter. I don't need that. We'll push enter. And then under here, we're going to create the head. So this is really like that. This is really like the header. So you want to just do it like that. This is really like the header. So this is going to be the header. This is when you put your title or whatever you want. So we can add the title. See, it already have it for us. We can add the title right there. It could be home, so the title will be like, it will be up on the nav bar. We can add title, and then we can we'll add a H1 tag. H1 tag is like the type, like how big this title is gonna be. They got so I'm gonna do a few ones. I'm gonna do 1, 2, and 3. So we're gonna do a hello, and we're gonna do another. We're gonna do an H2 tag. And I'm coding an atom too, by the way. I'm coding an atom. We'll do hi. And we're going to do, oh damn, I'm tripping right now. All right, so the file, I'm using Atom, and when you try to create a file, you're gonna always put the name. I'm gonna put it here. Let me put it right here. No. It's gonna be this. So it's gonna be, the name of the file could be stream .html. So you gotta create your file in that. That's gonna be your file name. So you remember, if you look at my previous videos, I'll create my file to be like stream.py. So it'll be strictly Python files. This is HTML, so it's gonna be stream.html. So make sure you create your file. It's gonna be stream.html. HTML at the end of everything. So we'll do an H3. This is just a header, but it's just going to be in different size. We do by, and then we'll do it up to 5. H4. We'll do it up to 5. Hey. We can fly. Killing me. H5. So we got these headers right here. So let's we do C. All right, so now we got that. Now under here is considered the body tag. The body tag is the whole page. It's the body of that page. So the header is going to be up top, and then the actual body is like pretty much the whole page, the body of the page. So we're going to have the body right here, and then for the body, we're just going to use a P tag. So the P tag is kind of like the paragraph. It's a paragraph tag, and then we'll just put we'll just put Shopify, since we did that already. So now let me run this, and then you see right here, let me go bigger. That's what we created so far. So it says hello, hi, bye, hey, see, Shopify. So that's what we create right there so far. We also can add button tags in the header as well. We can add each a button tag, so we can put button. See, so it auto tags what exactly what we need. So it can auto tag that, and then we can name the actual button. We can name it search right here, and then when we run that, you'll see that button tag there. But you see the button tag, so it'll add that button tag. So let me explain how that works. Oh, what's good, Keith? What's good? Yeah, my fault, man. I don't know what, because I made a mistake and clicked out the live. Yeah, my fault, man. I don't know what, because I made a mistake and clicked out the live. Made a mistake and clicked out the line. I don't know what, because I made a mistake and clicked out. All right, so let me continue. It's gonna be this video's is a little messed up, but we're gonna continue anyway. And I gotta share my entire screen so you can be able to see what I did here. So what we was doing right now, we was just hold up. What we did right now, we created a simple HTML. We created our doc type with HTML. We created head is the header, right? So it's the header. So it's going to be everything that's going to be up top. The title represents what's going to be like. It's kind of like with a nav bar. This is considered the title. The title is up here where you see pray.html. And then the hello tag will be inside the actual page. Then we create a button tag right here. So button, you see the type is going to equal to button and the name is going to be button. So that's how you consider the button type. And then right here, every time you see these little what you call it, like these little slashes, these slashes or parentheses, if you want to call it, that closes each tag. So you see every part of the HTML code have that. So that means it closes. So you're always going to use that to close a particular tab. And I named it search. So you got H2 high, H3 by, H4 hey, H5 C. So that's just different sizes of of that name. And then you got the header. So all this is in the header. Now this is where the body tag is. The body tag is this is like the actual page. So we create a paragraph tag that says Shopify right here. So now let me run everything so you can see it. You see it right here. You see it says hello. So you see hello right there. You see the search bar right here. You see hi, bye, hey, see. So this you see how the header gets smaller and smaller. Damn off. And then Shopify is paragraph tag. So the paragraph tag is when you name like your descriptions and all of that. That's what you pretty much doing. You just have your little your you know I don't know. I'm just trying to make sure they hear me. Okay. So that's just the basic of that. So let's just go back. So what we did, you also can add color to it as well. So you can add it inside your body tag because the body tag is where you're gonna add things to it. So you can add color. We supposed to use the CSS and connect it, but we'll do that in another video. We just want to be able to show, different things we can do. And also, and let's do divider as well. So we'll do so so div means divider. So it's gonna I don't know why it's doing that. So it's gonna divide, it's just gonna divide different sections right here. So I can add a p tag here and I can put paragraph tag and I could put products right here and it's gonna add like a divider so I could put products right here. And it's just a simple divider tag. So you see products is on the next line. It's just a divider tag right there. And now inside body, you can also add color to it. But inside body, it gotta actually be inside the body. So you're gonna add a style. You're gonna add style. No, I don't know why I did that. You're gonna add style to that, and then you're gonna actually because the style is gonna represent. So you're gonna put color, and it's gonna the background color of that particular style. So you're gonna make it. This is gonna equal to background color, background dash color, and then it's gonna be we'll make it blue. Could be capital blue. And if we can make it blue, we want to make the background blue. And you see we got a blue screen right here because it's inside the body tag. So the style is background colors and it's gonna be blue. So that's how we can create that or whatever. And then you can actually add inside, you can add a nav bar as well. I'm gonna do a nav bar here. We can add stuff here. We can add home page or something like that, and then just add nav bar. But that usually would be we want to add that to the header. So just something, just very very basic stuff. That's just like some web designing for the front end. That's really about it. Just adding some front end designing and understand what certain things do. So we'll stop it here. We'll stop it right there. Hope everybody enjoyed. Shout out to Marquise for checking out the live. This been I'm so sorry about the delay. I may say I can exit out. And this book, The Four Agreements, very, very good book for anybody for you that love books and love to read Four Agreements. Very good book. I had another book. Let me see. I got another book. One second. Ah, had to dust it off. For people that love cryptography, coding, um, they love like historical science. You see, it's ripped. This is called the Code Book. Code Book. So the science of secrecy from ancient Egypt to quantum cryptography. This is what people be able to hide things for their enemies and but for only their people to know where it's at, and it's encrypted. It's in all these different crypted ways, and you have to, and they only could decipher it. So very, very good book. But we'll end this right now. Hope everybody enjoyed the live and they got something from it. We're gonna do a part two when we're gonna do Shopify, and we're gonna break all that down. We're gonna do all that, and then we're gonna actually create some great web development stuff. I want to show you what I'm working on before I end the live. I think I showed it in the last one, but let me share my screen before I end it. Um, I can show the entire screen. It's better. So this is like my code right here, and what I will be showing when I do the next live. Uh, Let me see. Oh, right here. So you see right here. You see font awesome.css. And you also and let me go to our template and you see home.html. That's what we was really doing right there. We was doing that home.html. You see what we was learning. You see the dividers and stuff right there. You see the header. This is with the header, but you see the CSS slash bootstrap.css because that's what I'm adding the designs and stuff from the CSS file. See the nav bar, you see the classes, you see the dividers we added, another header. Then we got other tags that you didn't teach. You see the paragraph tag right here, and this is some data that I query on the inside the database. So it's a lot we're gonna be breaking down. Let me show you the CSS files. CSS files is right here, and this is like all the design that was coded here. but you could get that from Bootstrap. It's not I didn't code all of that. I got that from Bootstrap, and then that's what you do your web designing. So go to command prompt. Let me just do something quick here. What was the name? I think it was DL. What was the name of my virtual environment? Okay, DLVENV. Then you're gonna do dash scripts dash activate. So we're gonna activate. I'm gonna activate my virtual environment here, and then we're going to do. We're gonna CD BL web. Is it web? Yeah. CL web. So we CD on that. Now we can run our server, Python manage.py run server, and run my server. And then we run it. You see HTML, you see the cool homepage I have here. This is a homepage I designed. Profile, profile page right here that I designed as well. This is all with the HTML, CSS. Go back to the home page. We can log in. We got our login page. And yeah, something simple like that. But we'll end that here. We'll stop sharing and we'll just end it. Hope everybody enjoy and see you tomorrow. Peace out.